In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple pages on a WordPress website. Creating a well-structured website is important for improving navigation and enhancing user experience. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by entering your website's URL followed by wp-admin into your browser and entering your credentials on the login screen. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. This is the control center of your website where you'll find various tools and options on the left sidebar. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is a great way to become more comfortable with managing your site over time. Now, let's move on to creating those pages. Look for the Pages option in the left-hand menu, and click on Add New. This will open a text editor page similar to a word processor, which WordPress calls the page editor. At the top, you'll see a box to enter the title of your page. Think of it as the headline or the name of the page you're creating. It's important to keep your titles clear and concise, taking into account what visitors might be looking for. Below the title field, you have a large area to add your content. Whether it's text, images, or anything else, you can add and format this content using the provided toolbar. Don't forget, presenting information clearly and attractively can make a significant difference in engagement. Use headings and subheadings to organize the content and make it easier for visitors to read. Once your content is ready, take a moment to look over on the right-hand side of your page editor. Here, you'll see a Publish panel. But before you publish, let's explore some additional settings that can enhance the functionality of your page. You might want to assign a parent page if your new page is a sub-page or categorize it using the Page Attributes section. This is especially helpful for larger websites with more detailed navigation structures. Now, when you feel satisfied with how your page looks, you can click the blue Publish button. If you're not ready for your page to go live just yet, you can save it as a draft by clicking Save Draft. It's a good way to ensure all your content is perfect before it goes out to the world. Next, if you need to add more pages, simply repeat the process. This step-by-step approach becomes quicker with practice, allowing you to build a more comprehensive website with ease. Adding pages is just the beginning of managing a WordPress site. As you continue to grow your site, remember that organizing your content thoughtfully and checking it regularly can significantly improve your website's user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!